Be gone! He's a little stink bug. Oh no. Hello YouTube! Welcome to another cosplay makeup video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup for my Yuno Gasai cosplay from the anime Mirai Nikki or Future Diary. This makeup, I love it. First of all, I think I would do this for like my normal everyday makeup just because I love how it looks so much. I think this makeup could also work for a lot of other anime characters, like the waifu type, like cute anime girls, or it could also work really well for a lot of other yandere type characters. So it's a very versatile look. It's a little bit basic. I think it's not like super like fancy, like wow, here's these special tricks, but this is something that I really like to do, so I thought I would show it off for you guys. If you're new here and haven't seen yet, I've been doing a series of cosplay makeup videos all month of October leading up to Halloween. So it's just another installment in that wonderful journey. I can't think of anything else to say right now, so I guess let's just hop back in time and I will show you guys how I did this makeup look. So see you in a second. Hi! So for this video, I'm wearing some contacts. I got some purple contacts. These are from Honey Color. I'm just putting my wig cap on and... Why did you do that? Okay, now I'm putting my wig cap on. I'm just getting ready, putting some foundation all over my face to get started. I put a base of pink over my whole eyelid, and then I start going in with some more pink, deepening the shade. We're just gonna do a like soft pink, kind of smoky, I guess, pink smoke, going underneath the eyelids and above it. And then I go in to deepen it. I'm adding a more red tone pink and adding some just red into there. I felt like that was good for the yandere thing because red is a little hint of spooky blood. And then over that with some hot pink, going back into the cute territory of the yandere. Then some shimmery shades. First I use a peachy kind of pinkish orange simony shade, and then this other shiny pink shade on the super inner corners there, and just blending that together. Then I do my eyebrows pink to match my wig. Here's some white pencil liner on my lower line. It was hard to film that, so you can't really see me doing it, but then we go with some eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I'm just doing a regular old spiky cat eye and drawing some fake lower lashes on the bottom. Then some mascara before we go with some blush. I do a base of this peachy blush all over my cheeks and my nose and the end of my chin. And then I use a strawberry blush, which is much more bright, super pink, and I put that in the center of my cheeks and my nose. Then highlighter. And for my lips, I do a pale pink color, and then I use a more reddish color on the center of the lips. Then some fake lashes to finish up everything. Bam, they always bring everything together so much, and there's the whole look. It's very cute. And here's the cosplay all together. I love it! that is everything that I do for my Yuno Gasai Yandere makeup. Now, if you want to go the extra step, this would be perfect with a little bit of blood splattered on there. And I do think this type of like general makeup look would work really well for any other yandere type of characters that you want to do. Yuno is a character that I decided to do just for Halloween time this year. This is a totally new cosplay that I put together, and it has quickly become one of my favorites. I really, really love how this whole cosplay looks. I love the whole outfit. I love the makeup for it. I love the wig. I'm really proud of the little floofies. I had fun doing them. I feel like it's very, it's so fluffy. It's fun. And then besides Yuno's outfit, I have a sword. This is a prop that I have from a bunch of different cosplays I've used this for, but it also works for Yuno, which is great. I love having props like that that are like work for multiple outfits. I think that is all that I have to say for now. Let me know what you thought of this makeup look in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys, and let me know what character you would like to see me do makeup of next. Like I said at the beginning, I have been doing a series of cosplay makeup videos leading up to Halloween, so be sure to check out my playlist of all my cosplay makeup videos. I will link my cosplay and makeup playlists at the end of this video for you to check out. And remember to subscribe if you want to see more cosplay content like this or other stuff. Besides cosplay makeup, I also do a lot of cosplay reviews, and I am trying to do some more crafting videos soon too. I hope this video could be helpful for you if you are trying to do some anime inspired makeup for Halloween this year. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!